Welcome back to our channel. Today we have another beautiful Commander 1995 model, completely restored at Jeepzone, Bangalore. You can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is completely painted with a brand new painting job has been done, and we have upgraded with brand new off-roading rims have been installed on this, and empty tires have been installed. You can just have a look at the off-roading rims. That's the Hankook. Empty tires have been installed on this vehicle. Complete range of 5 empty tires have been installed, and you can just check out the body line of this vehicle. The body line of the vehicle is extremely in very much neat condition. Brand new original Commander paint has been installed on this. Set of 5 tires are coming up from Hankook. The vehicle has been upgraded to a DI turbo engine, disc brakes and a 4-wheel drive on this. Very much old vintage vehicle which is completely been upgraded, and you can just check out the complete sizing of this tire: 30 into 9.5 into 15 Hankook dynamic MT2. A complete range of tires have been installed on this vehicle, very neatly done on this. So anybody required for modifications, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. The vehicle is also upgraded with DI turbo engine in this. You can just have a look at the interiors. The interiors are completely brand new interiors which is being done. Seat covers are newly installed. Innova seats have been installed on this. Original meters have been installed on this. 4-wheel drive, 4+1 gearbox, and complete door pads are also new. Seat covers are also new. 5-seater vehicle with a new brand new seat covers, and roofing also is done. Floor mats also been installed on this.